In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80244018 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find the network and the internet with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button. And for the Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter and the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running so, do not forget to right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to make sure there is no proxy enabled. So go to the Windows search bar, type Internet Options, click on it under the best match. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Connections tab, click on LAN settings. Make sure automatically detect settings this is enabled and use a proxy server for your LAN. Make sure this is not turned on or enabled or checked and simply click on OK, apply and then OK. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.